All right, and we are live. Today was a good day for me. I finished up the authentication stuff, and that's all working, so that's cool. Fixed some bugs, some issues that Johnny was having with the admin app for content data, and then also troubleshot a mutation that Nate was having issues with. And that was my day, and now I'm just working on locking down our mutations with two different pieces of middleware. So admin app has more rights than our client apps and cool stuff like that. So going pretty well, learning lots of cool stuff. All right, Jason.
What up? I made a small update. I don't even know how to stand. I'm gonna kneel. I'm like trying to figure this out here.
Made a huge refactor to our SaaS.
No, I didn't. But I did update the favicon on our pre-launch page and fixed a hover. I don't know if that's live yet. I saw you merge that, Jacob, the PR. And then other than that, I've been working on Devslopes 2.0, working on the checkout page. It's coming along really nice. I'm working on the checkout system at the bottom where you click the radio buttons to toggle between Stripe checkout or PayPal. And so I'm getting all that, toggling back and forth, and got the login stuff, and everything's working great. The sign up, register, so it's coming along nicely.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot I merged that. I'll get that up on develop and staging, and if it looks good, we can take it live.
Wait.
All right, Nathan.
Well, the mic's over here, the computer's over here. Well,
go take a knee.
Why is he talking to the window again?
I did it was like a lot of little things. I don't feel like there was like one core thing I finished. Mark and I went through, we did several PRs and merges, getting everything cleaned up, organized.
Conflicts.
Lots of merge conflicts, the easy ones, because we write good code. Just a lot of that. The project's looking good. It's in a good state. We're finding little things to make it better and stop race conditions and stuff. And I haven't tried your little fix, Jacob. I pulled the branch and I changed the mutation variables, but I haven't tried it again.
It works on graphical, so it should work.
Oh, okay. I'll do that. And then I'm also refactoring a little skill track logic that I had in a bad spot. So I made a new branch.
Good boy.
I'm gonna fix that only, and then we'll do a PR on it.
Wow, look at you.
he was following in your footsteps, Jacob. He had a for loop that then calls another for loop, more or less, looking for an index.
I feel your pain, but I've grown a long way since those days. And I blame Firebase for why I did it.
Yeah, I don't know why I did it.
Blame Jacob.
I did it because of my mentor, Jacob.
You never reached out and asked for help.
No, I just looked at your code and copied it.
That code doesn't exist anymore. We let Jacob and Mark write the code, and then me and Nathan just copy it. That's how we write code.
Yeah, I write bad code in one place, and it gets replicated to 4.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good work, man. I know there's some PRs I have to look at. I've been getting dinged. All right. How about you, Mark?
Yeah, I got a lot done, man. Video player is really done, more or less, and it's fully responsive. Theater mode's fully responsive. All screen sizes. It's real
amazing.
Cool. It's real cool. Really, really cool. And
Tell people about the space bar.
the space bar, yeah, the space bar, guys.
Can you have anything selected on the window and the space bar still works?
It should. I haven't
Cool.
tested it. on every component, but
because spacebar does exist on the current Devslopes app,
oh,
but
Evan
it has
made
to
it
be in
sound like
full
it
screen
didn't.
mode to work.
He was like, when I talked to Evan on the phone yesterday, he's like, dude, please get this in. I asked Jacob and Johnny a million times, and they just could not do it. They couldn't cut it. They couldn't get it in. I need you to take care of this. I was like, I got you, bro.
It's in. Goodness gracious.
No boy.
It just doesn't work that well. But Johnny figured out how to make all the selected views and stuff work with the key up or key down responses for Mac. So that's cool.
So yeah, all's well. Project's moving fast. Code base is much better now. For Electron, we did a lot of cleanup here. So GraphQL, when we have multiple queries, we actually learned that they have race conditions where it doesn't sync them, so you can get some data before other data. And so we now have like code in there that prevents accessing items that don't exist yet and stuff until they're all synced and stuff like that. So good stuff. It's all good stuff. Making good progress on everything.
Nice. Good work. The player does look really sweet.
That's good. It's good.
Johnny. Might not be here.
Johnny!
Jack.
Sorry, I was muted. Worked with Mark and Jacob last night. Got the Web 2.0 up and going finally.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, had some issues, but we worked through them, and Mark fixed it, and we got it live. And so that triggered the whole DevOps debate. So I'm kind of researching that right now and about to dive into that and get that all going before we launch. So
Jack's going to save us heartache and trouble and all kinds of problems.
And tears.
And me SSHing into a server, logging into a database, and updating a live record.
And Mark swearing at me. That's the biggest part I'm looking forward to, is not getting yelled at as much.
Well, you know what? I have to touch every freaking code base. I'm supposed to be like making sales and growing the company and doing CEO magical stuff, and I'm like doing code stuff.
Wow.
So Evan's doing all the fun stuff. He's listening to the webinars and the marketing. He's like, I've got this 3-point marketing plan that's going to revolutionize how we make sales. And I'm like, it's not even fair. Like, he gets to do all that stuff.
did he say it like that?
Yeah,
Exactly.
a Venn diagram with some bar charts.
Man, Evan gets to have all the fun.
Squiggling.
He gets to squiggle and marketing plan. Well, good job, Jack. Thanks for helping us get that live last night.
Yes, sir.
All right, Evan.
Yo, sorry, for some reason my camera's not working. But yeah, basically worked on a 70-prong marketing plan. No, I'm kidding. No, basically did a bunch of customer support stuff. Filled out an application for AWS EdStart and did a bunch of research on them. Learned about like who they are and what they do. And basically, in a nutshell, they give credits to early stage companies for AWS that are doing things that align with what they believe to be cool. So yeah, I just worked on the application for that. There's a couple of things missing from it, but it's pretty much done. Did some design stuff, brainstormed some things we could do like within the community. I want to do like a design contest. Been talking to some members about that. That's going to get underway soon. I just don't know when. Stay posted. And then I'm also slowly but surely learning web, just to get context of this entire new direction that we're going towards. So yeah, that was my day.
Nice, man.
Evan, I'm almost done with that application stuff. It was just Jacob's like, I got a PR. Then Nate's like, I got a PR. And then Jason's like, I got a P. And it's just like,
Yeah, no worries. I don't think there's ever there's not like a cohort deadline or anything. So no sweat.
bunch of dang whiners.
I think the guy complaining about whiners is the ultimate whiner. All right, Caleb.
Hey guys, today just building out the apps, finishing, building out the apps for the unit testing stuff. Just trying to make sure I have good examples of like a bunch of different types of unit tests, so that, people can see multiple contexts and like very clearly understand why they're important, and like how they're helpful. And so, yeah, just spent my day building that out. I'm not all the way done. I didn't get quite as much done as I was hoping, but made progress and did some social media stuff. And I'm about to choose the winner for one of our giveaways on Instagram. So if you entered, could be you.
Sweet, that's
What about me? What about me? Could it be me?
Well, you didn't tag 3 people, Mark. So
Man, what a
yeah, I'm serious, man. It's hardcore.
So I'm gonna unfollow this stupid account.
No, you
But
gotta
let
do
him enjoy
stuff to win
Instagram.
stuff, Mark.
He's already said he only likes our stories, so he won't stop, Caleb.
I actually have gotten, it's funny though, Caleb, I've gotten personal emails, like as the CEO, someone's like, Caleb did a giveaway where the last comment wins. And I just really don't think it's fair. Like, because I was posting and it was not synced correctly and I should have won, but you picked somebody else. And like, I think that you should give it to me. I'm like, what?
It's your fault, Mark. I'm glad you get the heat for that. That's nice.
Like, because he wanted me to address the problem, I guess. I don't know.
I think you forwarded that to me and I followed up with them or something. Anyway. Yep.
All right. Well, good work, man.
Thanks.
And whenever you start having code reviews, I'm ready.
Yes, I will send that up as soon as I am able. As soon as it's done. It's not done yet, but
Sounds good, man. Johnny.
Yo, another good day. Just making more progress on the admin app. We can now add lessons, projects, final projects, did some refactoring, a whole bunch of good stuff. And yeah, it's coming along.
Sweet, man. It's looking good. I got to see some cool stuff.
Yeah, it's looking real good.
Good work, Johnny.
Good work, man. I think that's it. And then if everyone can just stay on for a few seconds after, that would be super. All right. See you guys.
Goodbye, everybody.
bye.
Bye.